Hi everyone, welcome to your stock weekly analysis for March 28, 2026. For QQQ, support levels are S1 560, S2 540, resistance 1 580, resistance 2 590. As market is in downtrend right now, so plan would be to sell at resistance 1 or resistance 2, targeting support 1 or support 2. For SPY, support 1 at 635, support 2 at 620. Resistance 1 at 660, resistance 2 680. The same market is in downtrend, so plan would be to short either at resistance 1 or resistance 2, targeting support 1 or support 2. For Apple, support 1 at 243, support 2 233, resistance 1 258, resistance 2 265. Plan could be short at resistance 1, targeting support 1. For Hood, support 1 at 67, support 2 57, resistance 1 at 73, resistance 2 at 78. Plan would be to short at resistance 1, targeting support 1, or to short at support 1, targeting support 2. For Amazon, support 1 at 185, support 2 at 183, resistance 1 at 211, resistance 2 at 220. Plan would be to short at resistance 1, targeting support 1, or to short at support 1, targeting support 2. For events, Monday, ISM manufacturing PMI, Tuesday, manufacturing PMI, Thursday, ISM services PMI, Friday, unemployment rate. Weekly trading plans to short at resistance 1 or resistance 2, aiming support 1 or support 2. That's all for the US Stock Weekly analysis. See you next week.